Welcome, weary traveler, to the wild edge of the world. Tonight, the Restful Library guides you to a place where ancient stone meets the untamed Atlantic. Before we open the dome and let the vastness of the Irish night enfold you, let us first release the burdens you have carried to this moment. Feel the cool air on your skin and let it carry away the last remnants of your day's worries. Find your most comfortable position, nestle deep in your blankets. Feel the soft weight of the fabric, the gentle support beneath your head. Close your eyes, allowing the darkness to settle behind them like a quiet dusk. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Breathe in slowly through your nose, feeling the cool, clean air fill your lungs. Hold it for a moment, letting stillness spread through your chest, and exhale even more slowly through your mouth, imagining any lingering tension flowing out of your body like a soft grey mist.